and leg protection. Hi, I'm Pete Rice. I'm a certified safety professional and a certified industrial hygienist. Employees who face possible foot and leg injuries from falling or rolling objects or from crushing or penetrating materials should wear protective footwear. Also, employees whose work involves exposure to hot substances or corrosive or poisonous materials must have protective gear to cover exposed body parts, including legs and feet. Now, if an employee's feet may be exposed to electrical hazards, non-conductive footwear should be used. On the other hand, workplace exposure to static electricity should necessitate the use of conductive footwear. Now, examples of situations in which an employee should wear foot and or leg protection include when heavy objects such as barrels or tools might roll on or fall on an employee's feet, working with sharp objects such as nails or spikes that could pierce the soles or uppers of ordinary shoes, exposure to molten metal that might splash on the feet or legs, or working on or around hot, wet, or slippery surfaces, and working when electrical hazards are present. Now, safety footwear must meet minimum compression and impact performance standards. Additional information is available at the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, and the American Society of Testing Materials, or ASTM. If you'll notice is that these old safety boots here that I've had for quite a while is that they are rated, and you'll see there is that I do have ASTM as well as ANSI labeling on the boot itself. Now, different footwear protects in different ways. Now, check the product's labeling or consult the manufacturer to make sure the footwear will protect the user from the hazards they face. Now, foot and leg protection choices include leggings, which protect the lower legs and the feet from heat hazards such as molten metal or welding sparks. Safety snaps allow the leggings to be removed quickly, obviously when working around hot metal. You got metatarsal guards. They protect the instep area from impact and compression. They're made of aluminum, steel, fiber, or plastic, and these guards may be strapped to the outside of the shoes. We've got toe guards, which fit over the toes of regular shoes to protect the toes from impact and compression hazards, and they may be made of steel, aluminum, or even plastic. We've got combination foot and shin guards that protect the lower legs and feet, and they may be used in combination with toe guards when greater protection is needed. And then we have safety shoes. These have high impact, impact-resistant toes and heat-resistant soles that protect the feet against hot work surfaces common in roofing, paving, and hot metal industries. The metal insoles of some safety shoes protect against puncture wounds. Now, safety shoes may also be designed to be electrically conductive to prevent the buildup of static electricity in areas with the potential for explosive atmospheres, or non-conductive to protect workers from workplace electrical hazards. Employees working in explosive and hazardous locations, such as explosives manufacturing facilities or grain elevators, must wear conductive shoes to reduce the risk of static electricity buildup on the body that could produce a spark or cause an explosion or fire. Now, electrical hazard safety toe shoes are non-conductive and will prevent the wearer's feet from completing an electrical circuit to the ground. Now, these shoes can protect against open circuits up to 600 volts in dry conditions, and should be used in conjunction with other insulating equipment and additional precautions to reduce the risk of a worker becoming a path for hazardous electrical energy. We've also, a specialty shoe would be Foundry Shoes. In addition to insulating the feet from extreme heat of molten metal, Foundry Shoes keep hot metal from lodging in the shoe eyelets and the tongues or other shoe parts. Now, these snug-fitting leather or leather substitute shoes have leather or rubber soles and rubber heels. All Foundry shoes must have built-in safety toes. Now, how about care of protective footwear? As with all protective equipment, the safety footwear should be inspected prior to each use, and the shoes and the leggings should be checked for wear and tear at regular and reasonable intervals, as recommended by the manufacturer. Now, this includes looking for cracks or holes, separation of materials broken buckles or laces. The soles of shoes should be checked for pieces of metal or other embedded items that could present electrical or tripping hazards. Also, employees should follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning and maintenance of protective footwear. Click Safety has a wide range of online PPE safety training courses covering common and specialized PPE, including the NFPA's 70E. That's electrical PPE. Also, California-specific PPE requirements and PPE courses in Spanish. Now, check out Click Safety for a complete listing of these courses. Now, thank you